Hi everybody, it's Willie here again from Ensystex Australasia, and today I'm here to talk about the EXTERRA baiting system. So the original EXTERRA station that we had when it came into Australia over 20 years ago, this has been protecting commercial and domestic buildings. It's got the timber interceptors inside it. We put the termite focus attractant in there. This is very important that you put this in the ground. This completes the whole system, makes it work fantastic. So this is how it worked in the past, and it still works like that. We still use it like this. But now people are moving across to pre-baited. So we've got the chlorofluorazeron, the REQUIEM termite bait, and this natural Hessian sac. We're trying to keep everything natural because it keeps the termites happy and they feed on it easier. So that just slips into the station like so. In happy days, it becomes pre-baited. We stick it on, we put the lid on it, bang, we stick it back in the ground. It's ready to go. Now the Ever-Ready station, a lot smaller station, same again, natural Hessian sac, 240 grams of chlorofluorazeron, the REQUIEM termite bait, nothing there to take a colony out. Happy days, we stick it in. I just had a system attacked with this yesterday, I was at it, absolutely fantastic. 6 weeks was a total elimination to get rid of the colony, so brilliant. The other thing I just want to touch base on is there's a lot of R&D goes into this. Although it's been in the ground for over 20 years, we still do a lot of research on stuff to see if there's any ways of improving it and so forth. But the one thing today is, what we don't need is we don't need more plastic in there. People are retrofitting things and, you know, use the system how it's been designed to be used, because that's how it works the best. It's plain and simple. I had John, professional pest manager, say to me yesterday, he goes, well, why don't you give us one of these systems, then you can video us all, you know, we'll put it round our house. And I'm just like, you know what, John, there's no smoke and mirrors. Everything we're videoing, it's all the end users, the homeowners that are using it, and that's what we want to see, you know. And this is what happens in Australia. This product is massively used. So hi, you know, we fully do EXTERRA training here at Ensystex, so if you've got any questions, please give us a call. Thanks very much for your responses. Ensystex are loving your feedback. And hey, I hope 2025 is a massive year for you guys. Until next time, thanks again. I'll see you later.